To change the snooze interval of your alarm on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open Clock app. While you are in the alarm section, tap the required alarm. Tap snooze. When this option is on, you can see some snooze option available in the screen. Under interval section, select the desired snooze interval you like to use. As the example, we will select 10 minutes. Tap the back key and then tap save to save your selection. With this setting, when the selected alarm rings, you will be provided with the snooze button that you can use to stop the alarm from ringing. If you tap the snooze button, the alarm will stop ringing for the selected interval, in this case for 10 minutes, and then it will ring again. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.